P0131 code diagnostics.
When your car has any problem, please connect your car to any scanner. O2 sensor circuit low voltage bank 1, sensor 1. What the P0131 code mean? Code P0131 is a result of the oxygen sensor incorrectly detecting the air or fuel ratio of the exhaust. The ECM receives this ratio and uses it, along with comparisons to outside air, to control the air-to-fuel ratio that the engine requires. This code is the result of the ECM identifying an incorrect air-to-fuel ratio, or a voltage that is outside the acceptable range. Possible symptoms: 1. Check engine light. 2. Possible exhaust leaks. 3. Exhaust odor. 4. Vehicle running rough. 5. Lack of power. 6. No adverse conditions in some cases. Possible causes: 1. Faulty oxygen sensor. 2. Short on voltage to O2 circuit. 3. Exhaust leaks. 4. Fuel pressure low. 5. Engine running lean. How serious is the P0131 code? 1. The code P0131 can cause stalling and other severe drivability issues. 2. An unaddressed condition can leave a driver stranded, possibly within the flow of traffic. 3. In any event, DTC P0131 should be taken seriously and should be addressed as soon as possible. How to diagnose? Step 1. Check O2 sensor wiring, visually, and repair. Inspect the O2 sensor wiring and harness connections. Step 2. Check for exhaust leaks. Look and repair for any exhaust leaks between the engine and the O2 sensor. Step 3. USE diagnostic scan tool to check O2 sensor voltage. Warm up your engine. Using diagnostic scan tool to check live data of O2 sensor bank 1, sensor 1 voltage. Step 4. Check fuel pressure. Using a fuel pressure gauge, check the fuel pressure and compare it to your vehicle specification. Step 5. Check for vacuum leaks. Conduct a visual and audible inspection of the vacuum lines and any intake connections to make sure there are no signs of disconnection or outside air leaks. Possible solutions: check for presence of additional codes. Any active DTCs should be thoroughly diagnosed, remedied prior to continuing. Perform visual inspection. Inspect the O2 sensor for signs of damage. Inspect all wiring and circuit wiring pertaining to the sensor damage replacement, and all wiring decay should also be remedied. Check freeze frame data. You should analyze freeze frame data connected to the diagnostic trouble code in question. Clear DTC or replicate conditions. The use of a quality scan tool, you will clear DTC P0131. Verify sensor signal and P0131 DTC was stored. Check bank 102 sensors voltage and resistance are within specification. Check coolant temperature sensor values. Check and verify all coolant temperature sensor readings are all correct. Replace O2 sensor if faulty. If the sensor feedback has shown to be illogical and all coolant temperature sensor data has been within specification, replace the vehicle O2 sensor. Replace ECM or PCM if necessary. If testing has shown an engine's O2 sensor and coolant temperature sensor are all correct, need to replace the ECM or PCM module. Thank you everyone for watching the entire video. Please give me one like and one channel subscription.